Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we will be discussing about Python dictionaries. A dictionary is a collection of elements in the form of key value pairs which are enclosed with curly brackets. So the elements will be in the form of key value pairs as shown in the example. So 1 is the key, Rama will be the value for it. So 2 is the key, Rakshi will be the value, and 3 will be the key and Bhima will be the value. Properties of dictionary. Dictionaries are ordered. Well, the order of an element is maintained in a given example of a dictionary. Dictionaries are mutable, where we could able to modify the values of an dictionary using their keys. Dictionaries are unindexed, so we could not able to retrieve any of the elements of a dictionary with the help of their index values, because the data or the values which will be stored in a dictionary will be in the form of key value pairs. Dictionaries cannot contain duplicate keys, so there is no duplication of elements in a given dictionary. So these are all the major properties of dictionary. Now let us move on with creating an empty dictionary, where A is equal to curly braces. When we print this type of A, we get an output as dictionary. So this type syntax returns the data type of an value A, where it contains an empty dictionary. Hence, it returns a class type as dictionary. That is about properties of dictionary and creating an empty dictionary. Now let us try to perform all these properties and empty dictionary creation in our code editor with a defined example. Let me take the same example whichever I have mentioned in the slide, and we can follow up with all the properties with the same example. A is equal to Rama, Rakshi, Bhima. Print A. So all the elements I have got in this order. This is the output of the example which I have mentioned here. Dictionaries are mutable. We can modify its values using keys. So, for example, if you want to modify Bhima with Arjuna, you could able to do that. So, with the help of keys, A of 3 is equal to Arjuna. When you print A, now the output will be Arjuna. So, as I said, so dictionaries are mutable. We can modify its element. Dictionaries are unindexed. So, we cannot access the elements with the help of index values. Like, these are the key values. With the help of index values, we cannot able to identify them. Hence, they are unindexed. So, this is the third property. And in the fourth property, if I try to create one more example where I could able to add Raju, Rux. When I try to print this, I will comment it out. So indexing is not possible anyhow. So when I print this, you can see that duplication is not possible, even though if I given for the same key value for 1, I have given Ravi and 1 for Raksh. So, but one of the element has been removed. So hence it does not support duplication. So that's the fourth property. Now let us create empty dictionary. So C is equal to, when I print it, so I've got an empty dictionary. Then if I try to print its type, so I'm getting dict as an type. So hence it's an dictionary. So that's the completion of properties of dictionary and creation of empty dictionary. So now let us move on with accessing and modifying dictionary elements. How we could able to access and modify its element, we can do. I have shown you this example right now. So let us do this again. So we'll take the same example whichever was taken here. So this is the example. I will print A. I got the dictionary. Now I will try to access. Let us perform accessing. Okay. So I can access the element with the help of keys only. So I was said in the properties, you could able to access the elements only with the help of keys. For example, if I want a of 3, for example, a of 3 is Bima. So if I want to get an value Bima, so I can you make use of its key value. Its key value is 3. When I print it, I got the Bima as its value. So if I want Rama, I will make use of its key value. Rama's key value is 1. When I print this, Rama is the value for the key 1. So this is how the accessing works. And now let us move on with modifying elements. I just shown this before. Right now I just shown you. Instead of Bhima, how could I replace with Arjuna? So hence dictionaries are mutable. We could able to modify its elements with the help of keys. So instead of Bhima, I'm using key value of Bhima. I will replace with Nagarjuna. Now if I try to print it, so you could able to see at the position number 3, I'm replaced with Nagarjuna. So this is how the modifying of elements works by taking its key value. Instead, in the third position for Bhima, I need to replace it with Arjuna. So I make use of its key value, which is 3 here, and I have replaced with Bhima with Nagarjuna, and when I printed this, the Bhima has been replaced with Nagarjuna, and rest all remains the same. So this is how accessing and modifying elements works in dictionary. I think you have got the point. Now let us move on to dictionary functions. So I will try to take the same example. I will print it first. So my output is Rama, Rakshi and Bhima. So I got the output. Now let us move on with first function. The first function is items. Item function is used to return the key value pair of dictionary in the form of tuple as an object. So in order to get the items is nothing but the elements of a dictionary. We can make use of items function. The syntax is dictionary name dot items. So print a dot items. When I run this, I am getting dictionary items in the form of tuples as an object. In this list, dictionary items, I am getting 1 as Rama, 2 as Rakshi and 3 as Bhima. This is the functionality of items. Now, let us move to keys. Keys function is used to return the list of keys from the dictionary. In order to get the list of keys, we can make use of keys function. Key function. So print a dot keys. When I print this, I get the list of keys. The list keys are 1, 2, 3. So hence I got all the list in terms of tuples. Now let's move on to values. Values is used to return the list of values from the dictionary. So I'll use function print a dot values. When I print this, I got all the values from this dictionary. The values are Rama, Rakshi and Bhima. So that's all with the values. And let's move on with update. Update function is used to update the dictionary with a specified key value pair. So for example, if you want to add any value to the existing dictionary, you can do that with the help of update function. For example, the syntax is dictionary name dot update object. A dot update, I will use dictionary here. At fourth position, I want to have Nakula as the name. Then if I try to print it, so let us see. Now you could able to see the element 4 has been added here. So in the existing dictionary, I just added one more element at the fourth position with the key as 4 and Nakula as its value. So when I print the my a new dictionary, I got the updated dictionary list, updated dictionary. So that's the functions of update. Update function is used to update the dictionary for a specific key value pair. Pop function. Pop function is used to remove the item from the specified key. For example, with the help of pop function, if you want to remove any of the element from the dictionary, you can do that with the help of key value. A dot pop. If you want to remove Bhima, you can make use of its key value. Then if you print it, then Bhima will be removed. So this is the functionality of pop function. With the help of function, you could able to remove the element from its dictionary. So these are the functions of dictionary, and that's it for the day. Thank you.